Good day. You should have a colored Alchem periodic table of elements, and you have to get used to how to use it. We're going to look at it briefly in this section on properties, and then we'll look at it in much more detail when we're trying to understand chemical behavior. So your periodic table at this point may be single-sided. It may not have the table of ions in the back, and that's fine. When we need the ions, we'll get you a copy of it. What we're interested in with this periodic table is what information is given in each box. And they have a sample right here. Let's see if we can make it bigger. And we'll move it like so. So here we go. First of all, you get the element symbol. That's going to start with a capital letter, and it's either going to be one letter. If it has a second letter, it's lowercase. Then we'll have the name of the element. It'll have something called atomic number. We'll worry about that more later. Melting point, boiling point, and density are all properties that we're going to worry about. It has something called a molar mass. You don't have to know what it means, but I could say, hey, what's the molar mass of something? And you would just find in the periodic table. Electronegativity is another property. Atomic radius, tiny units, picometers, gives us a sense of its size. Year discovered isn't really a property, but it can be of interest. Some things have been known. It'll say A, discovered by ancients, but here, 1766 is when it was technically discovered. Now, your periodic table, unfortunately, doesn't have the black and the red and the whatnot, so you can tell if it's a solid, liquid, or gas. You would have to know something about melting point and boiling point to work that out. If it's an outline, like this, that means synthetically prepared. Doesn't occur in nature. And what else we got here? Graphite, different forms. Like we said, A means discovered by ancients. So get used to being able to find things on this periodic table. And that means some things make sense, like lithium's Li, but Na, strangely, is sodium. And so with practice, you'll be able to quickly find where the elements in the periodic table, and that will save you a lot of time on worksheets and tests. That's your intro.